Hi guys, in this video you're going to discover 3 simple ways on how to make money online for literally free. So I'm going to walk you through the entire 3 websites that are going to allow you to do that. So before we start, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up as well if you could find any value throughout my sharing over here. Okay, so let's dive right into our first website called ebay.com. So I'm pretty sure everyone knows about ebay.com. This is the largest marketplace for online. You can literally get everything here, but I'm pretty sure most people didn't realize that how big is the potential eBay has, right? So I would like to draw your attention to this particular window over here. This is actually from the data from the SimilarWeb. What it does is you can actually see how much traffic that this particular website has get. So eBay got 1 billion views, 1 billion visitors per month, guys. That is insane amount of traffic. That is what most people didn't realize about eBay, right? So you kind of like leave the money on the table if you're not join eBay and sell your stuff on this particular website. And number 2 is take a look at the bounce rate over here. So bounce rate literally mean how percentage of people bounce back or bounce out or leave the website once they reach the website. So the highest bounce rate is not good, because people are more likely bounce back very quickly. Okay, so just take a look at the bounce rates on eBay website. So the standard bounce rate is actually 60% and below. So just take a look at eBay. eBay has 37 bounce rates, guys. Means literally so many visitors, almost all of their visitors spend a lot of time on this particular website to searching what they want to buy. That is number 2. And number 3, the benefit of selling on eBay is actually shopping mall. This is not a social media, guys. So people who went to eBay, they are more likely to buy, they are more likely to purchase, they have the buyer intention already. So it's just a matter like you and me to show our product, to show your product right in front of the target people, target audience. Okay, so number 3 is eBay has the target audience, target visitors, because like I told you, most people went to eBay, they have the buyer intention already, so they're not here to socialize or anything like that. Okay, so that is why you really need to take this opportunity to make at least $100 per day with eBay, right? So now I'm going to walk you through how you can actually search for the demand. So first off, you need to search for a winning product. That is the eBay game. That is how you're going to win in e-commerce game. All right, so for example, if you like to sell the remote control car, just type in remote control and then you scroll down. You need to find any remote control car that has the buyer record, or how many item that has sold. All right, so that is very important. For example, this one 86 watches, but not so none of the product has sold already. So we need to find the most high sold product. For example, this one over here, it has sold for 49, almost 50 units. All right, so for the sake of making an example for this video, let's take a look at this one. So 49 sold means that this product has a demand, right? That is the most important thing. So now what you need to do, we have the demand already. So this guy over here is selling this product for almost 250 bucks. So what we need to find now, we need to connect this buyer, we need to connect buyer with the supplier. All right, so now we are going to find the supplier. So I'm going to reveal to you the supplier is Alibaba. All right, this is actually Chinese based company, so you can find almost everything as well here. So just go ahead to click the alibaba.com. So when you find here, what you need to do next is you need to find the similar product with this one over here, because we knew it already. This product has sold 49 units. So what I need to do is I'm going to copy this product. For example, like HSP remote control car. Okay, let's copy this one first. Okay, and let's find it, whether we can find it or not. So you might take some time, it may take some time, because you need to sort all these lists to find a similar product with this one. Okay, so let's try to look at that particular product. So this is all the remote control car, or maybe I'm going to copy the entire product name and just simply copy and paste here. Okay, it doesn't allow us to put too many words, only 50 words. Little truck. Okay, click search. It may take some time, so you need to do your research, okay? But you got the idea. I don't want to I don't want to drag this video too long, but you got the idea. So the idea is you need to find a demanding product where people where people buy the product, and then what you need to do next is you need to find the supplier from Alibaba.com. okay, so you got the idea. And the best part is this method applicable to any type, okay, any niche, any product. So for example, if you want to sell bin bag, for example, just click on search, and then you can see like this one 43 sold, this one 42 sold, so 19 sold. So you need to find the product, okay, the demand, and then what you need to do next is head off to Alibaba and find the bin bag here. Okay, so it's good if you could actually find the exact same product like this one over here, and then you can mark up based on the product from Alibaba. By the way, I forgot to mention that Alibaba is actually one of the biggest supplier products. So everyone, I would say, I'm pretty sure most of the eBay seller also find or also purchase get the supply from Alibaba.com. okay, so that is website number one, which is eBay. So that brings us to the website number two, which is YouTube itself. Okay, YouTube is a very huge platform. It's a very, very powerful and huge platform. So let's take a look. If this is the idea, okay, how to make money with YouTube. Just type in motivational video, for example. So you're going to come across a bunch of video that related to this motivational video. So I want to let's take a look at this one over here. Okay, this one this video has uploaded like 19 hours ago, and this channel has 1.7 million subscribers, guys. So that is insane amount of subscribers, 38,000 views already. So just click on the video, and then I want to play a little bit of this video. I want to just share you the idea of making this video.
Is possibly nothing. But at the end of your principle is a promise. And some of you are where you are. If you could be real with yourself, you have gotten yourself in some mess.
So as you can see, guys, this particular video is actually a combining of short clips of videos, and they are actually literally copy and paste and merge it into a long form of video. That is the idea. And just take a look at the estimated monthly income here, 32,000. I'm pretty sure this particular channel has making like 20 to 25,000 every single month by only producing this type of videos. So where you can find all this video, it is very simple. You just go ahead to Pexels.com. So Pexels is actually a non-copyrighted videos, non-copyrighted art. You can find videos, images, and sort of things in Pexels. So let's try find motivation. Okay, just simply type motivation, and then you can sort it by videos over here. As you can see, 1.62 videos available for motivation. Okay, so this is all the videos, guys. So what you need to do next, you need to simply download. By the way, this is literally free. You can download for literally 100% free. You don't have to invest any money upfront. Okay, so let's try to play this one over here. Play. So this is the video, guys. Okay, so what you can do now is you can download for free, and then you can use your window movie maker or your iMovie if you are using Apple, and then combine it together for like a couple of minutes. Like this one is only 3 minutes, or you can combine it for 4 to 5 minutes. It is all totally up to you. Okay, and then you can play the sounds in the background. And how to get the sound is very simple. Just go ahead to your YouTube Creator Studio, and then you scroll down to the audio library. And this is very powerful, because this is actually the built-in audio library provided by YouTube itself. So you don't have to worry about the copyright strike, about the anything like that. Okay, because you literally can download and use it for free, and you don't have to worry about the copyright strike. Okay, so what you can do is you can type here, click on here, and then click on mode, and then you can sort by mode, right? So for example, for motivational videos, maybe you want to use inspirational, and click apply. And then all these videos, or I'm sorry, all this audio is actually literally free that you can use, and you can sort by duration as well. So you can sort by the most longest audio, and then you can download for free and combine it with all this video. Okay, there is only one, you can find a lot more here. Okay, so download a couple of video and combine in your iMovie or your Windows Movie Maker, and you're good to go. That's literally it is. Okay, so the game for YouTube is actually, if you want to success on YouTube, is you need to consistently uploading video every single day, and literally that is what all this channel is doing right now. Okay, and as you can see, 1.3 million, 1.7 million subscribers, 1.7, 1.3, 800,000, and all this channel making a lot of money, ton of money, with only by copy and paste other people's content, and then upload it back on YouTube. Okay, so that is the website number 2, and that brings us to the website number 3, which is Fiverr. So this is very, very powerful. Okay, so you can start by providing a service, or any service that you could actually transfer or deliver it online. You can offer your service on Fiverr. So just take a look at this one, graphic design. If you're good in logo design, okay, brand style guide, business card, gaming art, illustration, pattern design, you can actually provide your service here. So digital marketing, if you're good in digital marketing, Facebook ad, SEO, you can also provide your service here. Writing and animation, if you are good, you're good in writing. As a matter of fact, so many bloggers are actually hire a freelancer on Fiverr to write the article on their blog, right? So on average, like 2000 word of article, you could actually charge for like 500 to 600 bucks. That is pretty decent amount of money for doing something that you don't have to invest upfront. Okay, this is literally free. You can start with literally free. Okay, so there are a bunch more categories that you can choose from here. Okay, if you are good in programming and tech, you can also start to provide your service here. Okay, so that is the website number 3, and I think that's all, guys. So these 3 websites could actually help you to make a $100 per day or even higher. That is totally depend on your effort, how much money or how much times that you are willing to work every single day, and how hard you work. Okay, so I think that's all, guys. Thank you for watching, and I really appreciate your time. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up as well. And if you want to learn my number 1 recommendation, how to make full-time income online, click my first link in my description down below. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.